Alright guys, today we're building a bench that's war resistant and built to last with marine board. First, we are going to cut the main top frame to exact 48 inches long by 12 inches wide, and the legs to 16.5 inches high for that standard seating height, as well cutting the groove for the dira joint on the top edge of the legs. I used magic saw to cut a semicircle on the base of the legs for extra beauty. Now cut two apron pieces of 2.5 inches wide to the length of 48 inches. I made a cut of 45-degree angle on either sides of the apron pieces. At this stage, pre-drilling holes for the screws is crucial before joining the frame. To join the legs to the apron and from the frame, we are using a dado joint for a snug fit. And use 2-inch screws to secure the frame tight. Adding extra boards between the frame for added strength. Secure the top to the frame with screws from the bottom, and make sure the top is perfectly level before attaching everything down. Add another support board between the legs for extra support. For the final touch, I sanded the edges smoothly with my finishing sander. I use tape to mask off the edges before painting so the paint won't bleed onto the rest of the board, and used fast dry paint to get a durable finish to protect the bud from moisture and finish the project sooner. So if you made it this far, hit the subscribe button and like the video for more DIY projects.